Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Spotify account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Spotify account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address spotify.com and hit on enter. And after landing on this interface of the Spotify, which is the home page at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a login button available for us. Now in order to sign into your Spotify account on your computer, click on this login button at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to log into your Spotify account with your Google, Facebook, Apple, or your manual login over here. If you click on either of these buttons, guys, a login page to Google, Facebook, or Apple will open, and if you log into a restricted account, you'll be logged into Spotify with these accounts. And with that being said, guys, let's go for a manual login and let's enter our email address with which we had signed up for a Spotify account over here. And after entering your Spotify account's username or email address, enter your password over here, guys, whichever may it be. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Spotify account's password. And with that being said, after entering your email address or your username and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Spotify account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Spotify account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.